How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we will learn vowels. How many vowels do we have? A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels we have. So today we will learn first one. A. Phonic sound A. वावल ए से कौन से स्पेलिंग बनते हैं 3 लेटर, वो आज हम सीखेंगे. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू वन एक्टिविटी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज म ए न. सी, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट. ओके, लुक हियर. Make a slanting line, then fully come down, again slanting line, go up, again come down. See, ma, फिर ए, na. Did you see? Ma, a, na, man. So the vowel sound is here in the middle. This is consonant and this is also consonant. Ma, a, na, man. Now we will write next one. Look, okay. Again, ma, letter M. See, ma, then a, ma, a, pa, map, M-A-P, ma-a-pa, map. Now the third one is, look properly. See what I'm writing. Ra, a, ta, ra, a, ta, rat. Okay, now, okay, so next one is, look properly. What is this? Ka. Look, this is ka. Then we have to join A, and then pa, ka, a, pa, cap. Right, this is ka, a, pa, cap. Now, see, we have to make this little big. Okay. So now, next is, see what I'm writing. Ha, a, t, hat. Ha, a, t, hat. Right? This is a vowel in the middle. In all letter, all the spelling in the middle, there is a vowel. Vowel A. Okay, so now let's do writing on the textbook. Okay, so today we will learn what spelling made by vowel A. Okay, so now let's read. Man. Look, this man is standing. This is cursive letter. This is big cursive letter M, A, N. And this is small cursive letter M, A, N. Man. So how to read with the phonic? See, na. So let's write. See, write properly, okay? Make a slanting line, one more slanting line, then again slanting line, make again slanting line, then make a A, then N, and N. Now we will write small cursive M. See? Man. Now look. This is map. Right? So let's write map. Now we will write small cursive M. Okay, so map. Now look, this is rat. R-A-T, rat. So let's write R-A-T, rat. Now we will write small cursive R. R-A-T, rat. Right? Okay. Okay. So next is cap. So let's write. See, make a C. Cap. This is small cursive C. So we have to write C A P. Cap. Now this is a bag. So we write B. What is the sound of B? B. A. G. Bag. This is also egg. Bag. This is small cursive B. So B. A. G. Bag. Now this is a hat. So let's write her. Hat. And this is a small cursive H. Her. Hat. So like this you have to write your homework. Okay children, bye bye, see you.